Some have requested for side-by-side refrigerator. I'm showing you the Samsung brand side-by-side refrigerator. And you know what's the best thing about Samsung? Samsung is already an digital inverter. It's small sizes, small sizes. So this is what I can recommend you to buy for your needs is the Samsung, because they have requested this because they're planning to move here and they're looking for appliances for the house. So of course, number one, you think of appliances, it's refrigerator, baby. So you look at here is the side-by-side 3-door, and that's the other side. Pila ni ka cubic ga?
24.3.
So 24.3 cubic storage. So you got a third door there. And this is the freezer ni daga, no?
Freezer na
The freezer side for only 53,995. Now you got the another side by side, but this one is only got 2 doors. And this is still inverter. All the Samsung refrigerator are inverter. So this is the 2-door white black combination color for only, again, it's 24.7 cubic capacity. And this other one, lahi lagi ning naong ga.
Parang siya mas
Old model. So Samsung is offering 10-year warranty
for the compressor.
for the compressor.
1 year for the parts.
1 year for the parts and labor. So the compressor is warranted for 10 years. This one is their old model. So this is the fridge compartment part. And this, nalagay siya kuan ga?
For the ano,
For the
control.
freezer. So you can control it if you're in vacation. Power freeze or freezer. And this model for the side-by-side is only 40,295. 19.4 cubic capacity. And this is the 17.8 cubic capacity. Still a digital inverter. The freezer is on the top. But you've got a very big area for your fridge. And this one only will cost you 36,395. The same canon 10-year warranty for the compressor. So all the inverter Samsung is 10 years warranty for the compressor, 1 year for parts and labor. This is the 9.9 cubic. So the freezer is on the bottom. So this is 9.9 cubic capacity for only 21,595. And the freezer is on the bottom. This one, 10.9 cubic capacity. The same design, but this is bigger. This is 25,195 from Samsung. So you got your fridge on the top and the freezer again on the bottom. Kanina ko na dyan, 15 cubic capacity for 34,995. Still a digital inverter refrigerator, and you see the space that you've got there. All your refrigeration needs is in here. And your freezer is on the bottom, but you can see how well organized it's gonna be because it's got different compartment for the different food that you're gonna store. For the meat is down there. So that's 34,995. This is 15.6 cubic refrigerator, and this one costs 31,295. So this is the freezer compartment, and this is the fridge compartment. Kuha na ko miss eh. This is the ilan dito? 26. Oh, 16.
16 cubic.
16 cubic refrigerator for 33,495. Again, it's a digital inverter. The freezer compartments on the top. Dispenser for water. How does it work?
2 liters capacity.
Kani, you put the water here. Oh, so you put the water here and then you can dispense it from there. Already cold. That's convenient. So this one, pila ni ka cubic lang? 10.7 cubic capacity refrigerator. The freezers on the top. And the cooling compartment for refrigerator is here. Kanya na siya mo yung naika ng tubig-tubig lang. That will be convenient for them. That's really convenient because you can dispense your water there just on the door for your children. So this is the 11.4 capacity, the same model as that. This is the 10.7 and this is the 11.14 for 23,095.